In this how-to video of Brivo Access, we will demonstrate how to create an exception on a schedule. Navigate to the Schedules page under the Configuration menu. Either click to create a new schedule or edit an existing one. If creating a new schedule, on Step 2 of creating a schedule, turn on the exceptions. Set a date for the exception and a time block. If this will be a repeating exception, click the button, then set the cadence and day of the week this exception will repeat on. Lastly, choose whether this exception will enable or disable the schedule during the assigned time block. If additional exceptions are needed, click the Add Exception button. Once done, click Save. For more information, please visit us at brivo.com or contact your Brivo account manager.